Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About tan s squared, we need to change for secant of s squared plus or minus 1. So the integral of secant of s squared, we will have about tan s. The integral of number 1, we have s and we put about c. This one, we will change about cosecant of s squared minus 1. The integral of cosecant of s squared, we have negative cotan s, and number 1, that's about s, and we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.